think it's really the people. So everybody is approachable, from CEO to operations, to the sales team. You can literally walk up to anyone and ask any question. Everybody is super approachable, even down to the things like the desks. Nobody has a siloed office, which gives that feeling of kind of everybody working together, that one team, one vision kind of value. It's embedded in everything that we do. And it's just a really lovely place to work. There's a really good work-life balance as well, which really helps, which means that we're able to kind of cater for so many different types of people. So it doesn't matter if you can't make it into the office because you're remote, but if you're perfect for that role and you're going to bring what the skills and experience that the company needs, then you'll be part of the team, which is amazing because we've got such a diverse skill set and diverse set of people working for Smartest. It really works because kind of our differences make us stronger as a company.